What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and I'm here to announce that we have a brand new Launchpad coming to HighLevel. This new Launchpad is going to optimize and streamline your customers' experience once they get logged into the platform for the first time. It's going to teach them about essential skills across different categories, and it's going to make it even easier for them to get adapted to the software. Without further ado, let me show you what it looks like. So this is the brand new Launchpad with our setup guide over foundational setup, marketing and lead generation, sales and conversations, website and content, and commerce. Each one of these sections has multiple engaging videos to guide the customer throughout setting up multiple parts of their account. As they progress through these, they'll be able to see their total progress at the top, and they'll be able to complete these videos on the right-hand side after they watch the videos. On top of that, as they watch these videos, they'll be automatically redirected to the part of their account that they need to navigate to in order to implement these features. For example, this video shows them how to generate new leads with a high converting funnel, and as they're watching the video, it hyperlinks them to the funnels page. This makes it incredibly easy and streamlined for users to learn how to use a feature and then immediately be directed to the section of the account that they need to go to in order to use that feature. Currently, this Launchpad has over 20 brand new videos that are going to help you and your customers learn how to use your platform even better. On top of that, all of these videos are completely gray labeled, meaning there's no branding or any connection to HighLevel. So that way, whenever you're sharing these with your customers, they can have the most fluid experience whenever they're using your platform. I'm personally super excited to see this new Launchpad in action and see where it's going in the future. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and thank you so much for watching.